Yo, it is the stock market recap where we cover the stock market and I show you how to use technical analysis. Let's check out the charts and let's see how the week performed and what we could potentially see to happen next week. First and foremost, a big thank you once more for the viewership. Thank you for taking the time out to view my videos, and I am looking forward to seeing how much you have learned over these past couple weeks. We've done quite a bit of technical analysis, and I'm hoping that you're improving. I'll be doing my first pre-sale for an options chart reading class, so I'll be sending that out, but you gotta sign up. So head to the website, sign up, get more details. Let's get to these charts. All right, first chart, always S&P. S&P closed at 4,697.53 cents, record high $4,718.50. As you recall from last week, the price target was 4,700. We closed near 4,700 and we eclipsed it by a little bit during the trading day. This is the daily chart. Let's get the correct chart here now that I'm looking at this. We need the weekly. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in. All right, trends intact. Yada yada yada. We got a bounce that we've identified off of that support and off of the 20-day moving average. So what we're going to do now is just identify the level that things were at before. So as usual, we look for where things move the lower, and this is the first identified area. Do we have any activity in that same price area? If I take this and just go straight across and I see that we have activity there, let's put our line there. This was the range that the market traded in before. We're gonna note that, all right? That's the range there. The target price 4,700 has been hit. We're gonna see next week if this holds up. We closed near new highs, so traditionally we should continue to move higher. That's just the name of the game. When you have strength and you close strong, chances are you will continue. But we're gonna watch. We're gonna see how the market performs next week. All right, that's the S&P. Let's check out the Russell, and we use ticker IWM. Let's zoom in first. And the Russell closed at 241.81. Yeah. Record high is 243.40. Wow. Impressive move there, Russell. Check this out. We've been tracking this for quite some time now, and we've understood that this range here was going to get broken out. Through technical analysis, you have observed that when you monitor things and you understand the keys, you can be prepared for a big move like that. It's been at least a good maybe 3 or 4 weeks that I have let you know that a big move was coming, and now that big move is here. And I said that big move was likely to the upside, and I still have my target price of 250. We are at 241.81 is what we closed at. High is 243.40. I think we still have room to go. That's at least $7 more. As far as from the high, at least almost $8 from the current close. But yes, technical analysis, we saw that this range has been going on. We've had our 50-day coming in. We've had consistent closes higher, and we finally had that close above the old high, and it just broke out. And that, my friend, is how technical analysis works. Price target still 250. That is IWM. Let's check out the Dow. Ticker $ DJI for those of us on Thinkorswim. Record? Oh, I'm sorry. Closed at 36,327.95. Record high is 36,484.75. So about, we'll just say roughly $200 off. All right, there's our old range, and we closed at new highs, near new highs, and we made a new high during the trading week. This was also another one where we said, yeah, we're gonna likely move higher. We've done that. So the Dow looks good. It looks good. And now let's close out here with the Nasdaq, and we can use ticker NDX. Record. Well, I keep going for the record. The close was 16,359.38, and record high is 16,454.48. And again, we closed near record highs. The trend has been moving along just fine. We're going to do the same thing we did on the last one. We're going to identify where that level is for resistance of the old zone. And I'm just going to put that right here. And I'm going to do that because we got activity here from where it moved lower, and we got activity here from where it moved higher. There is that shift right there, that line in the sand where the price moves up or moves down. Resistance below, support above. And I'll show you more of that in that online chart reading class. That is going to be it for this week. And what an awesome week we had. If you've been in the market, it was extremely exciting to see new highs continue. And I said last week, hold on to those positions because something was coming. And it was beautiful. It was beautiful. Congratulations to anybody who printed a little bit of cash last week. My hat's off to you. All right. Let's close out this week strong. We are going to have another awesome week. And I want you to continue that awesome week that you had from the trading week this weekend by getting out, getting you some fresh air, making sure that you spend time with people that you love, and make some memories. Share, laugh, love. Important things that you got to do in life, all right? Money's cool, don't forget that, but that's way more important. And we'll catch you later, all right? Peace.